Hello folks, welcome to the show once again. Well, today I am going to explain you how exactly to do a simple clustered beans curry with some tomato. So let us look into the ingredients which are required for this simple recipe. Ingredients required for the clustered beans curry: 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 onion, 4 green chilli, sufficient mustard seeds and cumin seeds, sufficient salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, sufficient oil, sufficient curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 spoons of coconut powder, sufficient coriander leaves, and finally 250 grams of semi-boiled, or you can say half-boiled clustered beans. Now let us learn how exactly to do a simple clustered beans recipe. So friends, initially heat the pan and put the stove in high flame. Well, once the pan is heated, now add the sufficient oil. Now once the oil is heated, put the stove in low flame, add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Okay, and allow them to pop up nicely. Well, once they are popped up nicely, add the green chilli and onions. Put the stove in low flame and try to mix it properly in the oil. Okay. Well, the green chilli should change into the color of brownish white, which is the indication of fryness. Okay. Allow for 1 minute so that the green chilli and onions should become soft, or you can say they should be fried properly. So allow for 1 minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, add curry leaves. Okay, mix them properly so that everything should become oily. Make sure that the oil should reach to the every corner of the ingredients present in the pan. Okay. So once again allow for 1 more minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, now add the turmeric powder and also ginger garlic paste. Okay, so try to mix it properly so that the paste should be distributed evenly and nicely. Well, the reason why we are adding the turmeric powder is simply because it just kills the bacteria and germs if there are any. Okay, so allow for 1 more minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, now add the coconut powder and coriander leaves. So once again try to mix it properly so that the oil should reach the corner of the every ingredient present in the pan. Everything should be integrated with each other nicely and evenly. Okay. So once again allow it for 1 more minute in low flame. After completion of 1 minute, now you got to add the clustered beans. Well, this is the semi-boiled, or you can say half-boiled clustered beans. Well, it should be boiled in water. Okay, so add the clustered beans very slowly. And also the sufficient salt. Now mix it slowly so that the clustered beans should become oily. You can see how nicely it is becoming oily. Make sure that the oil should reach the every corner of the beans, and also the flavor of the salt should reach the every corner of the beans. So to happen that, you have to mix it properly. Okay, so allow the stove for at least for 3 to 4 minutes in low flame. Well, now in between, like after completion of 1 or 2 minutes, try to mix it properly once again. Okay. Now once the cluster beans becomes nearly soft, try to add the tomatoes. Okay. So mix it properly once again so that the tomatoes should become oily, or oil should reach the every corner of the tomato. Okay. Mix it for at least 30 seconds. Now try to allow the stove for the remaining period of time, which is 2 or 3 minutes in medium flame. Well, after completion of 3 minutes, you can see how nicely the curry has got into a beautiful shape. You can see how nicely the oil is formed right at the top layer of the curry. You can see that means we are in the final stage of the curry. Okay, so try to mix it properly once again. You can see how everything has gone pretty well and everything has come close to each other. I mean, everything has become soft, like tomatoes, beans, everything. So mix it properly. Now add the coriander powder. Mix it properly so that the flavor of the coriander powder should reach the every corner of the ingredients present in the pan. Okay, mix it. So allow for the final 2 minutes in low flame. Okay, so folks, after completion of 2 minutes, you can see we are absolutely done with the curry. We can just smell the flavor of the cluster beans. Okay, so try to mix it properly once again. Well, this is the curry which will be absolutely fantastic for the rotis or chapatis. Okay, so take it into the bowl very carefully by putting off the stove. So folks, here is the hot and delicious simple cluster beans curry with some tomato is absolutely ready. So hope you have enjoyed this video and understood how exactly to do this simple recipe. So meet you in the next video. Right now, goodbye.